with us, and we'll try and show you everything that is going on here at the Dalton Hamfest 2026. So, as I posted earlier in the week, I lost my UHV4 antenna, and guess what I'm getting right now. These are the guys at Chat Radio. They're the ones that are selling these here. So let me purchase it. So purchased this, got a discount for cash, and Chat Radio hooked me up. So they actually kept one back for me. So thank you for that. And I did pretty good. So hello.
What you looking for?
I need a tri-magnet mount for this type of an.
And that one is the
NMO, I think, is it?
Yeah, I think that's an NMO. Let me look.
Yeah, I can never get that right.
Oh, that's a PL.
PL? Okay.
Yep, and that's this one right here, and I have one left in a box.
Okay. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get that tri-magnet mount. It was a little steeper than what I expected, but since I got a pretty good price on the antenna, it kind of offsets it. Still within my budget. Oh no, don't. Oh, okay. Thought it wasn't there. So this one looks a lot more fortified than the one that I had previously. So I'll be back on the air. I don't know if I'll be able to do it today, but definitely will be back on the air on 10, 6, 2, and 440 with my quad bander. So that's good. So that's the ones that I got my base from, the tri-mount base. And give these folks a visit. I think it was pretty reasonable and still within my budget. There's old CT Morgan. Nice hat.
Hey.
How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Brought my Mesh-tastic and my mesh core with me, and my Mesh-tastic is locked up. It's a rack track, and it has this habit of locking up, and the only way to unlock it is to put it back on its cradle, and I don't have it. And the last time this happened was on my way to another Hamfest. So pretty convenient. It seems to know when I'm going to a Hamfest. So great thing I do enjoy about Hamfest is camaraderie. So meeting up with friends and people that you only talk to on the radio, putting a face to the name or the call sign. Speaking of trouble,
There he is. What's
how's Bill? KK4 PAL.
How's it going today?
Pretty good. I got my UHV4. My quad band antenna and the magnet mount were destroyed on Wednesday. I had them on top of the Durango, and stiff wind while I was driving down the interstate. The winds were coming the opposite way, and they blew it right off and tore it up. It was a 3 magnet holder too, but
the big one.
I thought it was big enough, but apparently not. But the UHV4, it's a quad band Comet, and
That's pretty good force.
yeah, it was pretty stiff wind, I guess. Because it was really windy that day.
It was
really
bad windy.
Yeah, and I was driving west towards Knoxville from Morristown, and it was coming back at me, and I guess it was around 100, must have been like 100 mile an hour combined, and blew me off, or blew me antenna off.
Short time or so.
All right, see you, buddy.
Yes, sir. Just check y'all a little bit.
Yeah. What are you guys? What are you guys looking for?
Looking.
Just looking?
Just looking.
So,
I had one come up a while ago and tell me they wasn't looking for anything in particular, and I told them I got plenty of not particulars.
yeah. That FT90, that mini micro dual bander.
That one is brand new in the box.
That's not the one you unpacked the other day, is it?
This is the one I used on the video.
On the video. Okay.
Yeah, it's never been hooked up. And here's one with the remote cable, remote head cable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if it's FT90 has anything to do with it, I probably got it or know about it.
I'm sure. So a few vendors are here, and a lot of clubs, a lot of things for different Hamfests that are coming up. So it looks like things are starting to ramp up for Hamfest season. Okay, so I'm here with W4LMS, the Rambler Radio Club. Where are you out of? Where are you based out of?
Lafayette, Georgia.
And
Put these right here.
you're selling stickers
Yes, sir. 50 cents.
for 50 cents.
Yes.
All right. And
We have all of these.
ooh, Georgia Parks on the Air.
Now, let me show you a couple of things we've also
Give me
got.
one of these Parks on the Air stickers. I'll take that.
There you go.
Do you have one for the Smoky Mountains by
We
chance?
do not have a Smoky Mountain.
Oh.
We've got a bunch of the local ones that our guys have.
Local
that
for
work.
you? Yeah. Okay.
And so we've got we
Rocky
do have-
Mountain. Is that? No, it's Georgia.
That's
okay.
wrong. Yeah, that's the one that's up and on. That's the public recreation area.
Oh, okay.
Now we do have trail of tears for North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Kentucky, and Tennessee.
Okay.
And we've got a couple of these. Now these are ones we really like. These are ones that we actually came up with.
Which
Ham
one?
radio saves your bacon.
50 cents.
Right? You can
And
save your
can
bacon.
save your bacon. What's
Okay.
what's this one here?
That is actually our original logo for our club.
Oh, for the middle school. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And,
Okay.
and the one here, I'm sure you've heard that more than once on a DX call.
50 cents.
5959.
Yeah.
Yes.
Give me one of those for your middle school. And where was did you have the one for the Parks on the Air? All right.
Absolutely.
So I'll do that. All
But,
right.
That'll be $1.
Oh, he's got them right here.
50 cents.
These are the awards that the group has won within the last 4 years.
Awards?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, if you're familiar with School Club Roundup, which is school-based, okay?
Okay.
And the last, well, let's see. Let's let them talk. Right. So they took it in 2022. That was the second place they took in October.
Okay.
They took it in the spring of 2024. I'll pull that off there. This was also second place.
There's two.
Okay.
Okay. I'll leave those out there. They took it in the spring of 2025. Nope, just one. So that was February.
I didn't know that.
All right.
And then, so they took second place in February. And then in October,
Okay.
they took first place.
Wow.
And the first place in the nation that's interesting here is that not only did they take first place
In the nation?
in the
Wow.
middle school division, but they also took second place overall behind Purdue University.
Wow.
So the only other school that outperformed this group was Purdue.
Wow.
And most of the students you see there walking around here were part of that group.
That's awesome.
Purdue has a superstation.
Yes,
We
Purdue has a
operate on
fantastic-
100 watts and a watt.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we run basically a POTA operation.
And what's the name of the middle school? Where are you?
We're at Lafayette Middle School over in Lafayette, Georgia. So,
Lafayette, Georgia.
So if you go to, let's see, from here, we're actually west between here and Lookout Point.
Okay, awesome.
But these are his awards that he's taken in the past 4 years.
So he's the guy that.
He's the guy that's been part of all those groups that actually took those medals.
Wow.
And so
Very good.
he's hoping for another one of these from February.
What's his called?
No, he's actually part of the club. He was actually part of the student club.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, but he
I mean, does he have a license?
he's working on his license.
Oh, okay.
He's
Okay.
working.
So a kid without a license was able to almost beat Purdue.
Right, and the group actually had, as a whole, 812 contacts for a 24-hour week period.
Wow.
So we looked at our rates.
50 cents.
For the fall was pretty good, but our rate for the spring was the best we've had in the last 8 years.
Awesome.
We keep up with all those minor things, you know.
Yeah.
Rates per hour. I mean, they had 35.4 for the entire 24-hour period. That includes changing operators. That includes antennas that are going down, so we have to shut down the equipment for just a short period of time.
Yeah.
All of that.
Wow.
But these are perfect to go on your boxes. Where
I've got a box.
Gear.
I got a battery box.
Everybody's
So
got their battery box.
I will decorate them with these stickers.
We appreciate that too, because I want to make these guys famous because of all the work that they do.
Yeah.
I mean, they do amazing stuff on the radio. And like I said, we've been around since 2007.
Yeah.
So this is 19th year for the group.
Yeah. 2007. So yeah.
And so we actually made contact with some of the original members of the club who are licensed.
Nice.
Did that this year.
Awesome.
So it was pretty cool.
Greg, I have something for you when you're done get gobbling around.
Yeah.
I'll just give it to you right now.
Okay. Oh boy.
Well, Greg, from the Tennessee Amateur Radio Association,
Oh, no.
you are now the Amateur of the Year for 2025.
Are you kidding me?
Congratulations.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, I'm a very informal guy.
Wow. Okay. Well,
So thank you for what you do for the association and for amateur radio.
well, thank you. I'm stunned.
I have been holding on to that since November.
Wow. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
So
I got an award. So that's it from here at Dalton. Had a great time. Beautiful weather. Got exactly what I needed. Hopefully the antenna and mount last longer than one complete year. And we'll try and get on for Simplex Saturday tonight, but looking like we'll have to wait until next week. So anyway, we'll see how things go. And we'll catch you next time. 7 3s.